Hello everyone, my name is Mudassir and I am one of the managing board of directors for NVIDIA, and I'm here for a short announcement. We recently gave a big, we gave one-time stock payouts, bonuses to our employees in India, and the bonuses range from over 5 lakh rupees to 1 crore. Yes, and that is the result for the soaring prices of our NVIDIA stock units. It is a part of our CEO Jensen Huang's special grant, which allows eligible employees to get over 25% equity more additional on top of the original restricted stock units. These bonuses act as a financial boost to our India's local tech workforce. Thank you.